kublei phi baro sha kutup khubor ka jongi ka Don Bosco Media Network kimat bakong san manta ka sngi kilong sngo khia kinong hikai SSA bamsiu tulap ka sarkar Meghalaya pentip ka dor barshnong ternga bat register tu ka hima melim bat ka raj marwan ya ka jaka ka bakot sha ka khat ar spa akar let jurip ka Committee on Women Empowerment of Women hakithan jantia tumantang ni phai ki khubor ki ba khambania kinong yalam jo ka senjuk ki dor barshnong ternga kila kenno ba ka hima melim bat ka raj marwan kila register tu ya ka jaka ka bakot sha ka khat ar spa akar sha udai lang chrip law ban lilam ya kishnong bat ki jaka rap jong ki baro khot chi tanat sipai BSF habaya kran chi lat pathai khubor ha Shillong Press Club ha ka ar phau terek mentau bana ya yong ar hajar ar phwe u president jong ka senjuk ki dor barshnong ka ternga area u ba Marcos lampasam ulaong bon kishnong ki ba shakta ha ka jing de tu ya ki jaka
katkum kakut kalapan skamba ki de ki jaka jong uchurup de lang law ola de lang chirup law henrei kini ki jaka borok khot ngan ya thu ya pi ki de ki shnong ki de ka jakaret jong ki shnong te ngala mention ye ki shnong hangne borok khot shwa ban wan ngala dapan kre ki de ka shnong ternga mauyong barapatha chibra jols im Jermang gambal bari B nagarbil pilingku A pilingku B umlatho umsen pongkersi paham jula nong spung B lalmati te barokhat kini ki shnong ki ha bapok ka khat ar hajar eka te nalo nang ne susu ka jakarep jakariang jungi kidon para marjan shnong kadon ka ki babun hi ka jakarep jung kidong ternga barok kini ki shnong kidon lo te sanang ta susu ya katakan nyo nak khat ar hajar eka la propose pan nyo hajar saus pak khat lai eka si kispai te amount bat 1,000 si eka kidi kan ne kan de ba pausai ini kidi ki xerox ki bala yo barok khoi la kai ko badon buram nyo pu prakrol ka total amount 1,000 aja hajar tengka si eka kidi barok khoi ka de khat ar hajar eka ngimtip ya kata kajinya di jong kibat BSF handre ki propose bandi show BSF ya kan ka jaka te handre lengba kajing
ka committee jong ka Meghalaya Assembly ka badai pet ya ka bha ka miat ki kan thei khna ha ka jilla kala penlong ya ka jing let jurip ki than jantia banlap ya ka jing shong kha khna ki samla kan thei bat chenrang hakani ka jingyalang balapan long ha conference hall divisional soil and water conservation joai lawan shim banta de kinong mi khmat na kalyang ka sarkar jilla ki bakan thob eka chairperson ka committee ka Dr. Amperin Lengdo rengkat berka jingya dan lang udakhot ka committee uba HM Shangpliang Deputy Commissioner Shri Garrett LNS Dykes Superintendent of Police Bikram Marak ki Block Development Officers jong ka Amlaram That Lasken Bat Lasken kinong tray haki office tray kam jong ka District Administration kinong tray ka tanat ka kwat ka khya ka tanat social welfare banya thir bat ya tai halor ka jingkiu ka jingsha ban ben ki kan thei ki khana ha ka district hakani ka jingyalang laikran ru halor ka phang ka bahap ha ka pokso protection of children from sexual offences ka jingsha ban ben ki kan thei kinong demand ka jingsha le ben ki khana bala pentip ru ki schemes but projects ki badai na ga banta banyada ki kan thei khana ha ka jilla
kami benta kalau koi ke situation ba kalau kata ru once ya kitu ki ba armet bat ki balong commission but lada ka early detection lade kata ka jing late test mar sentip la armet kandai ka wei ka la ba ka banyada ya ka jing por jong ka HIV AIDS na ka commission itu kila pun ki medical facilities ki medical treatments ki bala ban yarap ya kini kinong bang HIV AIDS ba kin im ka bakam jalan mereka dangi kum ka community ba ka society rengkat ba ka jing tekor jong ka state government ngim shim kya ya kini ka jingnong jingman ka nangkil pat nang mi usnem kan perpoi ya kinong song jong ka jela berkawai ka jingma ti kamdei kata ka banong bangkem ne banung kem yelu rei hato laga ki kenthe kilong ki victims jong ka HIV AIDS ka sarkar kalabyang ne ha kalyang ban tengkot tengkia ne ban ai jingerap economic patients ni don kam mengimpen bagi rights kahok jong kikentai nom tengdo niong yang kita ki female sex workers dan ki commercial sex workers ngimpen ren yenu shimen ndrei kami kedai kakam kaba bang biang bangin shinti bang biang bangin drei Padahal don ki issues ki badon ki bapenbor ki kentai bakin yad akan ni ka profession dan kamban mar dan kamban shna ban thau ki policies ki banyara ki rehabilitation programs habayong leno ubala punya April ubala rumah kat ni ki bon kita kilat ban rehabilitate ni dong kamfu rehabilitation program.
Kinong hikay jong ka Sharva Shiksha Abhiyan mentakasngi kelapan pau ka jing sngo khia ka bajur halor ka jing bom siu tulop ka sarkar jilla yaki na ka benta ubanai ka lalengkot bat rempang 8,000 huwei. Kinong yalam jong kani ka seng kilaya thu hakilat pathai khubor ba kilayo ka jing tip ka batikna ba ka sarkar kmi kala dap pelat ya ka te ka tulop ka jongki hendrei ya kani ka pisa amshamla aish kinong hikay hadu kini kisngi bat menta kadang sa bat katanat pisa tengka jong ka jilla.
Today, the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, we express our concern to the Act of the Education Department and Finance Department of Government of Meghalaya for non-release of fund of second installment of Government of India share to the State Education Mission Authority Meghalaya, which is a state implementation society who run the SSA program in the state, which result to non-payment of salary to 12,541 SSA teachers in the state for the month of January and February for financial year 2020-21. As per information from reliable sources, we came to learn that the Ministry of Education, Government of India, have transferred the fund of second installment of Government of India share to the state of Meghalaya before 31st March this year. But what make the association surprised till today, this fund is still lying with the State Finance Department. Even from the State Project Director Office, Sir Ambrose Marak, on 31st March this year, he have issued a sanction order to all the 11 districts in the state with an instruction to pay the salary of the 12,541 SSA teachers for the month of January and February this year without any delay. But what make the association surprised that till today, the district have not received the fund either from the CIMAM or from the state government. When we inquired on this from the State Project Director Office, we came to learn that the delay of the CIMAM to transfer the fund to all the 11 districts is due to the fact that the fund is still lying with the State Finance Department. Therefore, we from the association, we condemn this act of the Education Department and also the Finance Department, and at the same time, we demand from the state government that the fund should be released within this week. If the government fail to do so, we from the association, we may resort to a democratic movement as a sign of protest against the abandonment of the state government.
Badak itu ki khubor nila poy sa kabakot tarhadu bangin daya syambyang khublay shibon.